Still going upstream here. I don't know if this is further than we've ever gone, but I think it's further than we've ever gone without having to portage at all. I think we saw one tree that looked like it was cut nicely and giving us access without any portage here. There's like a field to the left here. I'm going to try to GPS my location when I get to the end. Maybe there is no end. Maybe someone cleaned it all up. Couldn't you imagine? I couldn't either, but could you? It's tough for me to speak while I've got a conversation going in my ears over the iPhone, so pardon any of my distractions. It's really nice out here. I'm glad I wore my bathing suit. It's warm enough. It's probably only in the upper 50s, maybe low 60s, I don't know, but it's sunny enough even though there's a lot of shade here. It's like maybe 1 o'clock, maybe 1:15. Been out for an hour and change. You know what? Probably not even. Yeah, maybe an hour. Still going upstream here. With this nice looking tree right there. But this was a place I'd have to portage in the old days. Before the amount of rain. So I'm going to barrel through this area. So that wasn't bad. Got through it. This is great. So you have that little choke point and now this beautiful little still is glass sort of reflective surface that I'm looking at. It's nice. So here we are, about to cross this bridge. It's got a sign that says boating prohibited. Let's see what that means. Look where we've come, huh? This looks like the end. Can't imagine what that bridge is. So this looks like the end. Can't get under that. Under where the heck that goes. It's quite a bridge. The freak is that? Wow. Wow. Look where we are. Got this, and we got hills all over there. And that's where I came from. And that's pretty much the end of this tape, huh? So actually, this is the second tape, flip tape. Reached the end of my trip here up the Passaic River on the 29th of October 2009. As you can see, there's a bridge up there that leads to what I believe is the Great Swamp Refuge from like North Maple. That's what I'm guessing now that I saw a sign, so I have an idea where I am. I'm heading back toward that bridge so I could just talk a little while I'm getting set for my downstream paddle home. And it's actually pretty cool. I'm going through this. It's really flooded, so I could go through all these trees and stuff. It's really nice. Oh, look at this. I could just paddle right through this. So anyway, I'm going to start my slow paddle home. No need to head home too quickly, because you can't get better than this. Why would I want to leave here? At some point I'm going to have to pee. So that'd be the only reason I could think. Maybe my ass hurts, my back hurts, my shoulder hurts, my elbow hurts, my feet get cold. Okay, there are plenty of reasons. It's a World Series game tonight. Yanks got their doors blown off. First game of the series. A little embarrassing. So look how nice this is though, huh? Gotta try to straighten things out and get it on focus. Maybe I can make things look good. So I just did like a circle around this little forest in the middle of the Passaic River here, right by that thing. So there's the downstream we'll be looking at. Look at that nice tree. I'm going to take a picture of this and sign off. So I don't think I'll have to be doing too much paddling down here. A lot of steering though, as we slowly drift back home. Peace and serenity. That's all you could think of when you hear